How to trade crypto on Binance. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can trade crypto on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Trading simply refers to the act of buying and selling cryptocurrencies for profit, right? So first of all, open up Binance and just make sure that you're signed into your account. Now, if you want to first of all buy, let's say, a certain amount of crypto that is decreasing. So today Bitcoin has decreased by minus 1.9 or 1.8% on average. So today if I buy in this low price, tomorrow if the value increases and then I sell it, I get a certain amount of profit, and that is called trading. So I can tap on this option and tap on buy crypto with USD. I'll select, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin for $100. I'll get this much of BTC. Then I can tap the buy option and enter my payment method to buy it. After I've done that, once I buy the Bitcoin tomorrow, let's say the value increases, then I can tap on it, then tap on the sell option, and then just choose to sell the cryptocurrency that I own. And this way I will be able to trade crypto on Binance. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.